It's about 7 o'clock Friday morning at Signal Rock, and the sun's just coming up. That's looking down Glencoe, or up Glencoe, whichever way. So we're just going to take Pippin for a quick walk, and we'll go quite early because we want to grab the Corran ferry and then head to Loch Na, see if we can jump on a ferry to Mull. Where are we? We're on the Corran ferry. Oh, that was quick. We literally just drove in and straight onto it. That was quite good timing, so there's only two in front of us, and no wait at all. Just maybe 10 minutes as the ferry comes in. So we're straight on, and hopefully it's about 20 minutes to go across. To a different climb. Higher up, the air gets thin. She can taste the trouble and the grin. Hairpin turns and postcard lines echo back her. We're only a few minutes from Tobermory, but we pulled over just to give Pippin a quick walk.
the road again. Lifelines catching every wind. Head into the mountains, chasing sky. Little car humming, eyes on high. Pippin hits the road again.
Alright, there are a couple of places to stop here, but I think we're going to work our way around. Going to head down towards the Munro, so Ben Moor. We might see if we can walk that tomorrow or Sunday. We'll see what we feel like.
He's a flash of tan in the morning dew. Little blue bandana, tail cutting through. Oh, kicks up clover down the gravel lane. Name on his tag, wild in his veins. Run, Pippin, run over the hills.
Just had a stop here. Just driving now from Calgary Bay along the west coast. It's absolutely fantastic. There's island of Ulva straight across from us. I think there's a small passenger ferry that goes there, and in the distance then is what we can see is Ben Moor, and that's where we're heading for the parking for Ben Moor, just to check that out, hopefully for tomorrow, and find somewhere along the loch to stay.
Run, Pippin, run over the hills. Ears laid back, chasing that thrill. Up through the heather where the wind sings loud. Heart like thunder in a rolling cloud. Run, Pippin, run. You were born to climb. Every muddy paw print, every crooked line leads you higher, boy. You're something. Run, Pippin, run till you hit that summit. He dives through the pines where the shadows play.
So we're still travelling down the west coast. We've got this little viewpoint here, and it's on part for night, so there's no restrictions. I think you can stop there easily. As you see Ben Moor in the distance there, looking across now. That's the island of Ulva.
He dives through the pines where the shadows play. Nose to the ground, never walks, just sways.
Alright, so we've just pulled in here. The highway maintenance, they've actually closed the road because they're resurfacing it, but waiting for the tarmac to dry. There's a lorry waiting there as well, so we'll just have to wait for maybe half an hour, 40 minutes. So they're going to cross now. That's Ben Moor is right in the distance there. I've driven up to the Benmore car park, which is just a short way up here. It's about 500 metres up there. It's already full of walkers, and it's only a Friday, so tomorrow, Saturday, should be, might be quite busy with the weather being so good. But this is where we're parking up, so we can actually start the walk for Benmore straight from here. We just see the peak of Benmore up there, and I think the path just basically follows that ridge up. Pippin's just finishing dinner, and that's the view out of the door today, or for this evening.
Dust on my tongue, mountains scratching at the distance, calling me to come. High summits, thin glass air, every breath a little bargain, every step a dare. Shadows from a high sun, crawling over crags and stone. Path to the top keeps winding, even when I walk alone. Whoa. Shadows from a high sun, reach for me, then let me run. I am small against this giant, but I'm still moving on. Loose rock, hands on the wall, heartbeat louder than my footsteps, echoes when I stall. Ridge line, sky cut in two. One side all the miles behind, one side something new. Shadows from a high sun, crawling over crags and stone. Path to the top keeps winding, even when I walk alone. Shadows from a high sun, reach for me, then let me run. I am small against this giant, but I'm still